The heart is enclosed by a double-layered sac called lungs. The windpipe in humans is scientifically called trachea. The tiny air sacs in the lungs where gas exchange takes place are alveoli. Which structure prevents food from entering the windpipe during swallowing? Epiglottis. The voice box is also known as larynx. The diaphragm is located between thoracic and abdominal cavities. The right lung has how many lobes? 3. The left lung is smaller than the right lung because of heart. The tube that connects the pharynx to the middle ear is Eustachian tube. The movement of air in and out of lungs is called ventilation. The normal breathing rate in a healthy adult is about 12 to 20 breaths min. Which gas controls the rate of breathing? Carbon dioxide. Exchange of gases between blood and tissues is called internal respiration. The respiratory pigment in humans is hemoglobin. The condition where breathing stops temporarily during sleep is apnea. Which law explains the diffusion of gases in alveoli? Dalton's law. The process of breathing out is called exhalation. The space between the pleural membranes filled with fluid is called pleural cavity. During inspiration, the diaphragm contracts and moves down. Vital capacity is the maximum air exhaled after deep inspiration. Oxygen is transported in blood mainly as oxyhemoglobin. Carbon dioxide is transported mainly as carbonic acid in plasma. The partial pressure of oxygen in alveoli is approximately 100 mmHg. Which part of the brain controls breathing? Medulla oblongata. Boy's effect refers to effect of Co on hemoglobin affinity for O. Inflammation of the bronchi is called bronchitis. Which disease is characterized by destruction of alveolar walls? Emphysema. Difficulty in breathing due to airway narrowing is a symptom of asthma. Which infection is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis? Tuberculosis. In pneumonia, the alveoli are filled with pus and fluid. Which gas binds more strongly to hemoglobin than oxygen? Carbon monoxide. What percentage of carbon dioxide is transported dissolved in plasma? 5–10%. Which muscle assists the diaphragm during forced inspiration? Intercostal muscles. The main site of gas exchange in the lungs is alveoli. The respiratory surface must always be moist and thin. Surfactant in alveoli prevents collapse of alveoli. Which part of hemoglobin binds oxygen? Iron in Heme group. The normal tidal volume in humans is about 500 milliliters. The amount of air left in the lungs after normal exhalation is called functional residual capacity. If you like this video, motivate us by liking and subscribing to our channel Information Gurukul.